Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the gas valve on this Whirlpool freestanding gas range. To begin this repair, we must first access the rear of the unit. Now that we're at the back, we're going to remove the cover over the safety valve. We've got 4 screws that hold it in place. Take the cover and then set it aside. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to the safety valve. Some reasons why we might be replacing the safety valve are if we turn the oven on and we're not getting gas to the burner, or 2, we're getting a gas leak and we have diagnosed the safety valve leaking. What you're going to want to do, we can check for continuity, is unplug the 2 electrical connectors with your meter set on ohms. We're going to check for resistance on the 2 terminals, and we're looking for very low resistance. So we have 1.3 ohms on this one. So this one is testing good. If you got something higher than that, what you're going to want to do is replace the valve. And we're going to take the gas line off of the safety valve and the regulator. And there are 2 screws that hold the safety valve in place. With the screws removed, we're going to lift up to disengage and kind of twist at the same time while pulling out. And then set it aside. To install our new safety valve, we're going to insert the orifice end of the safety valve into the burner, and then engage the little lip here. While twisting and pushing down at the same time. Once we have that engaged, we can install our screws. Install our electrical connections, and then install our gas pipe. Now we'll turn the gas back on, and you're going to want to take a soapy solution and check for leaks. If you have no leaks, now we can install the cover. To install the cover, simply put it back in place. Make sure you have all your wires tucked in. Install your screws. And that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.